Okay, so I haven't uploaded in a while. Okay, so do you, motherfucker, do you want to, make a green screen in Blender for your animation? Well, today I'm gonna tell you how to fucking do that. Go into the shader editor, go over here, go to world, there you go, now you have this shit, move this if you want, duplicate it by Shift D, make one of them, green, 100% green. Shader editor. Shove this into two. Oh fuck. Um. Okay, light path is camera array, and just shove that in there. There you go. Now you have a gorgeous green screen. The character isn't affected by the green, and yeah, and bye.